Welcome to lesson 28, session 5, refining making team numbers. All right, let's begin by looking at your page 565. 565. You're going to need your cubes and something to write with. This is going to look an awful lot like yesterday's work, where we filled in the tens frame in order to see the number bonds and addition statements for each team number. So this is just a continuation of what we did in session 4. So I won't spend too much time on this today, but just as a review. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We have the number 16. Okay, so get ready to write. We're going to write 16 as a number bond. You can go ahead and put the whole number 16 up here, and we're going to break it into two parts. We know the 1 comes from one group of 10, very good. And then the second number is the extras, 10 and 6 extras, excellent. So now let's look at what that looks like in a tens frame. When you use your cubes, begin with your yellow, and you're going to put 5 yellow cubes on the top, followed by 5 red cubes on the bottom to make a completed tens frame. And then we're going to need 6 extra. So then grab your green cubes. We're going to fill in the 5 at the top here of the second tens frames. But if we need 6, then we're going to have to continue using our purple now. 5 and 1 more is 6. So now we are showing a group of 10 and a group of 6 to make the number 16. The next problem wants you to look at the number 19. So let's take a look at what 19 looks like on the tens frame. In the tens frames, the number 19 comes from a group of 10 and then 9 extras. So that when you go to write it, start with the whole number 19 that is equal to the group of 10 and your group of 9 extras. So that really breaks apart your team number very well, okay? So that when you flip that page over, the last page you will need has an awful lot like yesterday's work as well, where they give you the tens frames, and then you'll have to break apart the number bond and then an empty tens frames to show the addition statement. So let's take a look real quick at what this is. I have a group of 10 here, so I know my team number is made up of a group of 10, and then I see only 1 extra, so that means there's a 1. 10 and 1 makes the team number 11. The first one comes from your group of 10, the second one comes from your extra. But what if we have it in addition statement and now it's all empty? So that's when you're going to come in here, and I'm going to use red and blue to stay looking like the rest of the lesson to show a group of 10 and a group of 7. So watch as I do this, and you can follow along with your crayons. I'm going to make a group of 10 by filling in the first tens frame completely full of my blue dots. So there's 5. Now I have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then I need to show my extras. And I have 7 here, which means I need 7 extras. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh goodness. 5. Hopefully you're having a lot more ease at this. 6 than I am grabbing. 7. All right. So there's my 7 extra. We got through it. So now you can either take the long way and go back and count each dot to see how many, or do what you have learned so far and put together your group of 10 and your 7 extras. So I know that the group of 10 will give me the 1 that comes before all teen numbers, and my extras comes next. So what is my extras here? That's right, it will be the 7. So if I go back and count each individual dot, check to make sure that you have 17 dots. Now to finish this video off and this lesson, I want you to think which way was easier for you to see teen numbers. Do you like seeing them in tens frames? Do you like seeing them in number bonds? Or do you like to break it apart and see it in addition? I'll be interested to hear what you have to say when we see each other again. Bye.